Hey guys, this is Funda on Chupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, there is a competition between Tando and Bali, and they want Big Sisa to be their man. But it seems like Big Sisa does not notice that. Tando learns about Bali dinner with Big Sisa and vows to ask him out directly, but then chicken out. While Phakade encouraged Bexisa to date again, and it seems like Phakade see that Mbali and Tando is interested on Bexisa, but it seems like Bexisa does not want to start a relationship. While Phakade waiting Bexisa to choose between Mbali and Tando. After Makosazana phones comes alive, Nokzola come face to face with Maharaj. Nomusa tell them some stuff that she will close tomorrow at Msam, but it seems like the staff does not feel happy and they think that Nomusa will sell at Msam. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.